Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpenters completed all the wood blocking and had a crew installing the drywall. Most of the drywall on the upper floor is complete, and they will be working on drywall on the lower floor next week. The carpenters should be done with all the stepped ceiling framing by the end of this week. The HVAC contractor continued installing branch lines off the main ductwork. Plumbing contractor completed all in-wall plumbing and is working on a few sanitary drains in the lower level ceiling. They will be starting gas piping soon for the rooftop units, which are supposed to arrive within the next few days. The elevator contractor was here to do the pre-inspection checklist. It is all approved and the elevator is released. They will give us a ship date and install date within the next week. The EFIS contractor completed the finish coat on the south side of the building. The low voltage and camera lines are almost all complete on the first floor. They will be starting rough in at the lower level Friday or Monday. Electricians are working on wiring in the ceilings for all the pendant and lay-in light fixtures. Please continue donating as much as you can during the month of Ramadan and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.